New 150 Modern Kitchen Design Ideas, 2023. How to design a dream kitchen that you'll love for years to come. Just keep watching. Hello everybody, and welcome to your channel, HD Interiors. Whether you're looking for a small on-trend update, or you want to do a complete overhaul of your kitchen, I'll help you break the process down into stages. As the hardest working room in your home, your kitchen will be one of the biggest investments you make when building or renovating. For this reason, it's important that you do it once and do it right. Before you begin this exciting journey, you need to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Here's how to create a kitchen that has a timeless style with your own personal twist. Plan, and plan some more. The key to nailing a big project, like your kitchen, is to make a list and check it twice. In fact, make multiple lists, the most important being your budget spreadsheet. Make sure you include 2 columns, one for budgeted expenses, and one for actual. This way, you can keep track of any variations, so there are no unsavory surprises at the end. Break the details of your project into categories, i.e. your budget, style ideas, and tradespeople, so you don't miss anything. Remember to include other costs, like skip hire, tip costs, and even takeaways. Research recent sales in your area, and make note of any renovations, to make sure you're not overcapitalizing. A good rule of thumb, especially if you're renovating for sale, is to not spend more than 2% of your home's value on your kitchen. Then create a solid timeline of the project, and give yourself a deadline. This will help you to finalize your budget. It's one thing to daydream about an L-shaped kitchen with an island, but it's another to actually fit it into your home. Measuring up your space and considering the era and style of your home will help you to figure out what items from your list will work in the space you have. To nail your vision from the beginning, try an online planner, like the Placemaker's Design Planner, to test out your ideas. All you have to do is put your measurements into the planner, and it will create a to-scale 3D mock-up of your kitchen. You can then try different layouts, colors, cabinets, and fixtures to get a clear picture. Don't forget to consider windows, doors, and the direction they open when taking your measurements. With your measurements in mind, close your eyes, and imagine you and your family in your dream kitchen. Then ask yourself some practical questions. Do you have a busy breakfast rush? What kind of food do you cook? Do you use the oven a lot? Is your kitchen the hub for social occasions? The right layout for your kitchen is a response to your space, and should reflect your cooking and social habits. The key is to nail the working triangle between your sink, stove, and fridge. The functional flow between these 3 elements is what can make or break a kitchen. There are several popular kitchen layouts, such as the U-shape and galley, and each one has different benefits regarding storage, workspace, and efficiency. See our comprehensive pros and cons guide for each layout style here. Storage is key. If there's one thing you can't have too much of in a kitchen, it's storage. In order to achieve that clutter-free space you've always dreamed of, everything in your kitchen needs a home. The secret is to split your kitchen into zones for food, crockery, cutlery, prep, cooking, and cleaning. The style of layout you choose will influence where your storage can live. Extending your cabinetry right up to the ceiling will increase your storage space and will mean you don't have any sneaky dust traps. If you're looking to utilize every nook and cranny, especially if your kitchen's on the small side, deep drawers and kickboards for storing baking trays and chopping boards are a clever choice. If you're considering an island, see if you can include a couple of shelves for your cookbooks and some drawers. If you have the space, why not include a scullery with a second sink to hide away the breakfast dishes? Don't feel like you have to hide everything away. Keeping selected items, like your stand mixer and special collections, will add character and stop your kitchen from feeling too clinical. Choosing your style. This is the part where you get to show off your personality. Start by creating a mood board of inspiring kitchens, then break down your vision into categories: color, material type, fixtures, benchtop, flooring, etc. You'll get a clear idea of what you want and what particular style you're drawn to. The best way to future-proof your kitchen, while adding your personal touch, is to choose classic features, and then add a little twist. I love the idea of a simple palette, with unique taps and handles, or using gray or black grout to give classic subway tiles a modern update. Sticking to one or two accent colors will also make your kitchen feel clean and cohesive. Consider appliances. Before designing your cabinets, consider what you need and want in appliances. Do you love to bake and need a double oven? Do you have a large family and need an oversized refrigerator? Eddie Homes partners with Don's Appliances. We'll work together to help you select from a variety of appliances and brands. Do incorporate 3 types of lighting. The 3 types of lighting are general, task, and accent. A good lighting plan incorporates all 3. General lighting produces the general glow of your kitchen and can be accomplished by adding recessed lighting. Task lighting is intended to help you accomplish a task. For example, under cabinet lighting illuminates your countertops for your favorite cooking tasks. Accent lighting brings your eye to an architectural element and can be achieved by adding downlight to cabinets with glass or uplighting the top of your cabinets. Thank you for watching this video on how to design your dream kitchen. I hope you found the tips and ideas presented here helpful and inspiring. Remember, the key to designing your dream kitchen is to start with a clear vision of what you want, and then work with a skilled team of professionals to bring that vision to life. Whether you're looking for a sleek modern look or a more traditional style, there are endless options available to you. When planning your dream kitchen, be sure to consider important factors such as functionality, layout, storage, and lighting. These elements can make all the difference in creating a kitchen that not only looks beautiful, but is also comfortable and practical to use. So, go ahead and start dreaming up your perfect kitchen, and remember to have fun with the process. With a little creativity and the right team of professionals by your side, you can design the kitchen of your dreams and enjoy it for years to come. Good luck!